Hello viewers, today talk about in a new video. Amir Khan has opened up about working on large scale production of the next project Mahabharat. Please have a look. Amir Khan recently spoke about awaiting to the work on a project released to be epic Mahabharat. Calling it his dream project, he has talking about working on something large scale. During a recent interview with Screen, Amir awaited it on the significant to project and revealed more about the production. He noted that the production installed to being in August. He also noted that the project would be series to back movies. He acknowledged it will be vast, it with an instant narrative, sharing that he is starting to work on it. Amir said, well, I am starting work on it. In this month of August, it will be a series of films. It will be back to back because you can't tell the Mahabharata is just a one film. Adding further, Amir shared that he needed to tell the story and get his cross. The Sitare Zameen Par actor noted, and you know the Mahabharata is very dangerous. It's again a story which is my blood. No one can do anything about it. I need to tell it, so I am starting work on it. Amir also revealed his plans about casting when asked he want to established actors to be cast in the project. He noted that he does not plan to take known faces. Amir justified his stance starting, I don't plan to take any known face in the film. For me the character are the star. I want a known face. There will be entirely the cast for it. It's what I thinking. It is not known whether Amir Khan is beginning pre-production work for filming of Mahabharat for the next month. However, the previous event he noted, ये मेरा सपना है कि मैं बनाऊं पूरा महाभारत, लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल सपना है वो. It's just my dream to make the Mahabharat, but it's very difficult dream. See, Mahabharat will be let you know, but you might be Mahabharat down. Amir Khan's recent release includes Sitare Zameen Par. The movie was well received by the audience. He noted Sitare Zameen Par is not just about basketball or redemption. It's a subtle about stating remember that children and adults with special needs don't require our sympathy, but our respect, understanding, and above all, our love more than anything else. It asks us to be broaden our definition of what is meant to be normal and to embrace difference with an open heart. Stay tuned for the latest update. Don't forget like, share and comment and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.